This is the ZimaBoard single board server. And this is ZimaBlade. For cybernatives, it can be used for building a sleek x86 Bay DIY NAS setup for $160, compatible with TrueNAS, OMV, and CasaOS, media and entertainment, or as a smart home server, or even in a compact cluster setup. A simple desktop-grade mini-host with GPU or AI expansion capabilities. ZimaBlade. Reclaim your cloud, more than an SBC. ZimaBoard is a low-cost single-board server designed for makers and geeks like you. It has both the expandability of an x86 SBC and the power of a microserver. Build your personal cloud and easily expand to over 36 terabytes disk space. No more subscription fees, 100% control over your private data, 24/7. Secure your traffic with OpenWRT and pfSense. Set up a VPN, hide your digital footprint, and protect your sensitive data. Equipped with 2x GB LAN ports and 1 mini DP, enjoy 4K video at 100 megabytes per second speed. ZimaBoard is 100% tinker-friendly with an onboard PCIe X4 interface. Open source and community-driven, ZimaBoard is here for you. Introducing the ZimaBlade 7700, powered by an Intel Celeron processor from the Apollo Lake series. With quad cores clocked at a base frequency of 1.1 to 1.6 GHz and a burst of up to 2.3 GHz, it delivers strong performance. The integrated Intel HD graphics 500/505 operates between 200 MHz and 700 MHz, providing smooth visuals. Equipped with a SODIMM slot, it supports up to 16 GB of DDR3L memory. The onboard 32 GB eMMC 5.1 storage ensures quick access to your data, all while maintaining a low TDP of 6W to 10W. This video is sponsored by Zimaspace.com. The product link is below the video in the description box. If these projects are useful to you, you can support me by buying a cup of coffee through the link below the video in the description box. You can also find all the circuit diagrams through the same link. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.